This is my Rube Goldberg. Here we start with my marble maze. It's going to go in through there. And it's going to go screw down in here, back and over, back and over. And here it's going to come out and go down that inclined plane. And then that one. And another one. And that inclined plane. It's going to hit all these dominoes, which are levers. And it's going to run into this other piece of wood and this, which are also levers, hitting the wheel and axle, which is the car. And the car is on this wedge. The car is going to roll down, hit the hammer. The hammer is attached to the pulley way up here, and it's going to come and pull on this light. Let's try it. Ta-da! That's the end. That's my dad.